What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. I'm Dr. Aaron Day, owner and chiropractor of Gulfport Chiropractic here in sunny Gulfport, Florida, here to give you your daily nugget of knowledge to use at your discretion. Now, today it's a pretty cool topic. It's a common topic I get asked, and so I figured I would just address it for everyone to hear. Adjusting your neck, okay? So it does present some dangers if you are forcibly thrusting and really getting in there, getting deep to get that adjustment. But at the same time, just like vibration can eventually rattle things loose, adjusting your neck all the time is going to do the same thing in a sense. And what I'm getting to is a lot of times my patients will come in, and if they're chronic neck adjusters, first of all, their neck is very, very loose. It's called very hypermobile, okay? And so what happens is when a joint is hypermobile or it moves too much or in excess, our muscles become tight to hold that in place, okay? So if something is loose or hypermobile, our muscles are gonna get tight to keep it in place. Now, someone that is a chronic neck adjuster, they're gonna always have a very, very tight neck, okay? And so that's where they're gonna come in. They're gonna say, I have a ton of tightness in my neck and shoulders, but I'm a neck adjuster, okay? So that's it right there. The more you adjust your neck, the more you're making those joints a little bit more loose in a very, very, very micro stage. But because of that and end result, our muscles are getting tight here in our neck and shoulders, which ultimately brings everyone to me.